Today, you are building a fully secured, unlimited, and ad-free VPN tunnel on your standard mobile device, and the entire deployment takes less than a minute. To begin the operation, verify that your base mobile data or local Wi-Fi transmission is currently broadcasting a signal. Open the Play Store and search for Wire Tun. You must target this specific application build right here, Wire Tun Network. Verifying the developer and build version now prevents the software from failing its handshake authentication once we attempt to initialize the connection. Once the application is open, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner to access the system directory. From the main sidebar, navigate directly to the Statistics module. This interface monitors your data flow. While the graphs are currently at a 0 kilobyte baseline, they will track your live upload and download packets the moment the tunnel is established. Now, let's override the default session limits. Return to the sidebar and tap on the Offers tab. Locate the drop-down for Unlimited Time plus No Ads and select it. Selecting this configuration removes the session timer and clears the tracking ad layer. By eliminating the session cap, the application maintains the encrypted tunnel indefinitely, preventing the connection from dropping simply because a timer expired. Return to the primary dashboard. Tap the default config bar at the top of the screen to choose your entry point. The system provides a list of regional nodes, such as these servers based in Canada, which you can select manually. For the most efficient routing, bypass the manual list and select the Any Optimized option at the top. With your parameters set, tap the large Not Connected button to initiate the primary connection sequence. Utilizing the automated routing algorithm ensures you are placed on the fastest available node. This prevents bottlenecks and ensures the most responsive encryption path is used for your data. Sometimes, depending on your local network environment, the primary connection sequence stalls before the software can properly authenticate the handshake. An Internet Access Required warning indicates a localized authentication error. To resolve it, confirm your network is transmitting and your subscription is active. Also, ensure you use the original app or clearly the application's cache to force a fresh handshake. This specific error is usually just a failure to pull the initial configuration files. Clearing these 4 checkpoints ensures the software can bypass the local block and complete the encrypted handshake. Once the authentication is successful, the dashboard status will shift to Connected, indicating the tunnel is fully operational. You can now revisit the Statistics module to see the live movement of your data as it passes through the encrypted tunnel. Your standard connection is now shielded by a persistent, encrypted tunnel that operates without session timeouts or advertisements. If you experience anomalous connection logs, report them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more network protocols, and we'll see you in the next operation.